when we finished getting our test for the COVID, we went back outside and called for our pickup from the La Quinta motel, hotel, whatever. He said he'd be there in 10 minutes. We asked where we should meet him. He said at number 8. Yeah, right. We couldn't find number 8. Nowhere to be found. Or at least nowhere logically to be found. Then we found him going by on the other side of the pickup and delivery, speeding. Well, going fast anyway. And we couldn't flag him down. So he got past us. We called again. We said we couldn't find where he wanted to pick us up at. But we were here, at this spot. He says, well, you really just need to cross the street. I said, did you see the traffic here? We'll get killed. He says, well, you can walk down a block and then cross the street and then come up and I'll get you. Fortunately, this time, he got to the spot he was supposed to pick us up at, and we weren't there yet. And he sat there. We finally got with him. We put our stuff in the back of his, I don't know what you want to call it. The picture is there. RV, I guess, maybe. It only has seats in it and a place in the back to put all your luggage. And he took us back to the hotel. We were so happy to get there. Now, the other problem is we have no car. Because the car is out in California. And we are in Florida. So we had to walk everywhere. Breakfast was provided by La Quinta, but they had no place for any type of meals. You could buy one out of a vending machine, but that's about the last thing I ever want to do. So we went to a Red Lobster that was about 3/4 of a mile away. We walked, and we had a late lunch. And that was also going to fill us up for supper, which it did. But here's the hotel, and it's quite nice. And the people were nice. When I tried to print off the response that we were COVID-free, it wouldn't print. We found out the printer was broken. So we arranged things with another guy there. I sent my stuff to his hotel connection, and he printed off for us. Why does it always happen to us? Please take a second to comment, subscribe, ring the bell to get notices of new videos, and please give a thumbs up.